Another day on Sodor. I wonder what crazy shenanigans we're gonna run into today.
Thomas isn't here. Scarlo is here. Long. The narrow Gage entrance work at Blue Mountain Quarry. Pushing and pulling trucks built Blue Mountain Stone, which is invisible. One day, Scarlo has taken some trucks up the incline. An incline is filled with coal at the top, and workmen who would put coal inside the trucks. One workman must run down and connect rope to the trucks. The rope then pulls the trucks up while the engine is uncoupled. This time, I forgot to uncouple Scarlo. Oh, frick. Wait, shouldn't we be doing this with Duncan? Duncan had an episode about this. Help. But he reached the top safely, luckily. The workmen saw that Scarlo was coupled to the train because they were not blind. Unlike freaking everybody else on Sodor, and pushed him back down the hill, but the trucks stayed up here. But what they didn't know was because of the distraction of Scarlo, the truck started to move forward.
Oh no! The possibilities of that happening are completely 100%.
Merrick, the crane or something, was there, but he was facing the wrong way.
Oh well, I guess I'll just have to take these trucks down the old-fashioned way.
And so he puffed off. Came. You little rippers, pull up your pants. This isn't Red Lobster. I don't want this anymore. When the other entrance heard about Mason's accident, feelings.
Well, of course he fell off the line. Did you see that was a bundle of an idiot?
Hey, the instant handle may be old, but you know how to use up the guidance handle. Since your handle, I meant to say remains. Oh no, I'm saying it again. It could have been Reneus. It could have had to be the truck. Just then, some grass blew onto the line. Oh, hey, that's why. Gotta go help Reneus. Smudger!
Bah, humbug.
That's our Smudger! That's our Smudger, starring Duke, Falcon, Stewart, and Smudger. What?
Yeah!
But it all was over when he came to the mountain tracks. Well, the tracks that went down the mountain. This isn't called the Fell Railway, friggin' scrubs. That's already over. And the cars. Here's your crash, internet. So they put Smudger back onto the track, but his brakes didn't work, so he went back down. Well, you're going to be turned into a generator for our unknown resource. No, Smutcher! No, Smutcher! No!
I'm sorry, this is the only thing I'm good at. It's my only talent.
Dang. When is 2016 going to be released? In 2016. Yep.
Okay, dude, sun's setting. Let's go. But up ahead, there's trouble. Trouble with me. Where was the boulder going? I'll be safe here. Shortcut.
The next day, it's actually this very Rusty had a car full of something, and she didn't know it was this. I'm a dude. No, you're not. Yes, I am. Okay, fine. Damn, Rusty, that's racist. No, it's not. That has nothing to do with racism. I guess I just gotta take this. No! There you go, Sir Handle. I'm not gonna call you Rheneas like Scarlori because he's a big, dumb, stupid face. Here you go, Sir Handjob. Bye, have a beautiful night. I wonder what did you just call me? I wonder what's in this.
Adventure!
Get away! Go. Never come back. Dang it. Meanwhile, Peter, Sam. Yeah, that's it. Grandpuff, it's Duke. Dookie, it's Duke! You're too old, I don't think you should be. No, I can do this. That's not even a truck, that's Murdoch's coal tender. That's all forks.
That'll be all, thank you.
Oh, seriously, sir? Did we really need to hear that?